And there you have it. Pretty awesome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Chipwich, which is pretty much a chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich. And you could use other cookies. It doesn't have to be necessarily chocolate chip cookies. You could use like a chocolate cookie, you could use snickerdoodles, whatever you want to do. But I love chocolate chip cookies, so I am using those. To begin, make your favorite cookie. I made my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Up there in the eye, there's a link to the full version of how to make these. Once you are done making your chocolate chip cookies, then let them cool completely and then put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And then what we need to do is we need to make an ice cream block. Now this is optional, but what I did is I just took ice cream and I put this parchment paper in this 7x11 pan, and then I spread out soft ice cream, smoothed it out on top, and then put this parchment paper on top and then put it back in the freezer. Or we can just use ice cream straight out of the container. So I'm going to show you both ways. And so what we can do, if we want to do it just the scooping way, then set your ice cream out for a couple minutes, 10 minutes or so it can soften a little bit. And then we'll take a cookie and turn it upside down, like so. And we'll take a scoop of ice cream, put it on top. It's going to be a really thick one. And then take another ice cream, or another cookie, put it on top, and then put your hand over it and just press down. And there we go. You can leave it like that, or what we want to do is we'll take the sandwich cookie and we can roll it in nuts or chocolate chips, whatever you want to do, like that. And then we'll put it in some plastic wrap and wrap it up. And then when it's in there, you can kind of roll it some more just to push those nuts in there. And then we will just put this back in the freezer. And then this time I'm going to roll this in chocolate chips. Okay? Yummy! And then if your ice cream gets too soft while you're working, then just put it back in the freezer so it can harden up again. Put it in there. We'll wrap it up in the plastic wrap. And we can kind of just push those chocolate chips inside the ice cream a little bit and then put it in the freezer. Alright, now for this kind, I will take it out of the freezer and I'll remove the top piece of parchment paper. And you essentially have a nice frozen brick of ice cream, okay? And you can just leave it in the pan, or you can take this whole thing out if you want. And then what we'll do, take some cookies, again place it upside down, and then I'm going to pick a biscuit cutter that's about the same size, so this one works perfectly. And then I'm going to come in here and just push down, and then you just take it out, and then we'll just push it right down, or place it right down here on top. And you can just use your fingers to push it, clean fingers, clean hands, or use like a spoon or something. But see how nice and round it looks all the way around? So that's the benefit of doing it this way as opposed to just doing a scoop. But the scoop method is a lot easier and faster if you want to do that. And then I'll just take another cookie that's about the same size and put it on, and there you go. An awesome Chipwich or chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich. And then again, we can put it in here and get some of these chocolate chips on there. And sometimes they won't stay, so you might have to just grab some and just push them on there. You can do that too if you want. And there you have it. Pretty awesome.